My son?
Hold on, I'm coming. You'll have to go through me first. I won't let you hurt my son. Leave us alone.
He's gone. You scared him away.
Ah, so painful.
Please get up. Please be okay.
I'm still here. We're safe now. I can walk. Let's go.
You're doing great. We're almost there. Look, there is a road. No, please don't faint now. Dad, wake up, please. I need to find help. Stop, please stop.
What are you doing on the road?
Please, my dad needs help.
Lead the way, kid.
He's still not moving.
Hang on. We're getting you out of here.
Will my dad be okay?
Get him to surgery now. He's strong. He'll make it.
The surgery is over.
Doctor, is my dad going to be all right?
It was a tough operation, but he made it.
Dad, I'm here. How do you feel, Dad?
I feel better, but it would be amazing if everyone subscribed to Ronatik channel.